Hi, I'm gonna show you how to identify a hot or neutral wire using a digital multimeter. Some appliances such as water heaters and even ceiling lights require proper wiring of hot, neutral and ground wires. Normally, to identify a hot or neutral wire, we need a probe. This is a safe battery-powered probe which costs less than $2 with free shipping to any country. The link in description below. This probe can also be used for continuity test. Okay, take your multimeter, in my case it's just a generic one for $4, the link down below. Set the multimeter to the highest voltage setting in the AC range. Then connect black probe to a ground wire or any grounded object like a water pipe, faucet, fridge or a heating radiator. And finally, touch the red probe to each exposed wire. If you don't get a voltage reading, the wire is neutral. If you get a reading, the wire is hot. You can also use color coding to identify hot, neutral and ground wires, but I wouldn't trust it 100%. The same applies to US and Canada outlets where the smaller slot is for the hot black wire and the larger one is for the neutral white wire, because sometimes outlets are wired wrong.